Hello everyone. Many of you might have installed ScreenStyler and now find yourselves wanting to remove its persistent dock. It can sometimes be a bit tricky to get rid of completely, but don't worry, this video will walk you through exactly how to delete the ScreenStyler dock. We'll cover the simplest and most common methods first, then move on to more thorough removal if needed, ensuring you can finally clear your screen. Let's get started with the easiest approach. First, your best bet is to try using ScreenStyler's own built-in options. Open the ScreenStyler application itself. Once it's open, look for its settings or preferences. This is usually indicated by an icon like a gear or a menu button, often found in the application's main interface or notification area. Inside the settings, you need to search for options specifically related to the dock. You might find something clearly labeled like Disable Dock, Hide Dock, or even Uninstall Dock. Select this option, and if prompted, confirm your choice. This method is often the quickest and most straightforward way to remove the dock without fully uninstalling the entire application. If it works, the dock should disappear immediately. However, if the built-in option isn't available, doesn't work, or if you simply want to completely remove ScreenStyler from your system, then a full uninstallation is the next step. For those using Windows, start by going to your Control Panel. From there, navigate to Programs and Features. A comprehensive list of all installed applications on your computer will appear. Scroll through this list until you locate ScreenStyler. Click on it once to select it, then choose the Uninstall button, which is usually found at the top of the window. Follow any on-screen instructions that pop up, as these might ask for confirmation or offer additional removal options. Complete the uninstallation process as guided. For macOS users, the process is slightly different but equally simple. Open your Applications folder. Find the ScreenStyler application icon within this folder. Once you've found it, simply drag this icon directly to your trash bin in the dock. After dragging it, right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. This will remove the main application files. Sometimes, even after uninstalling, some residual files might remain. For a super clean removal, you can manually check your user's library folder, specifically in Application Support or Caches, for any folders clearly named ScreenStyler or related to it. Exercise caution when deleting files from your library to avoid removing essential system components. What if, after all these steps, the ScreenStyler dock is still stubbornly present? Don't worry. There are a few more troubleshooting steps you can try. The first and simplest step is to restart your entire computer. A fresh boot can often clear any lingering processes or temporary files that might be keeping the dock visible. If it still persists after a restart, you'll need to check your system's running processes. On Windows, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Go to the Processes tab and look for anything related to ScreenStyler. If you find any active processes, right-click on them and select End Task. On macOS, open Activity Monitor, which you can find in your Utilities folder or by searching with Spotlight. Search for ScreenStyler processes there, select them, and click the X button to quit them. As a last resort, if you're comfortable, you can manually search for any remaining ScreenStyler files or folders on your system. Use your computer's search function and look for ScreenStyler in your C drive on Windows or within your user's home directory on macOS. Carefully delete any folders or files that are clearly associated with ScreenStyler. Always double-check what you are deleting to ensure you don't accidentally remove critical system files. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly hope these detailed steps have helped you successfully delete the ScreenStyler dock from your computer and that your screen is now clear. If this video was helpful to you, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. Feel free to share it with anyone else who might be struggling with this issue. And if you'd like to see more useful tips, tutorials, and tech guides, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me create more content like this for you. We appreciate you being here. See you in the next video.